Welcome to part 7 of Making You Superhuman, and this one really makes it a lot easier. I want you to use functional foods because they are so convenient and because they increase your success rate significantly. And they're loaded with those phytochemicals that we talked about earlier. The first study that I saw that got me tuned in to using functional foods was this one. They had people on the modified Mediterranean diet and functional food, or just the modified Mediterranean diet. Everything's the same except for that. And they had improvement with the diet and exercise, but 2 or 3 times the improvement when they add the functional food. It makes my patients lose weight faster, significantly faster. And it also repairs damaged system. And that's the thing that you need to be focused on with everything you do. Now, I'm not asking you to replace the food you're eating, because studies show in these plans where you buy food from a company, they don't work long term. You quit buying the food from them, you gain the weight back. But adding a functional food, supplementing real food, supplement it to real food in addition to real food, does work long term. And personally, over 15 years, I've been using these functional foods. It just makes it so much easier. So we talked about phytochemicals in our prior series. So the processed foods have no phytochemicals, the whites have none. And then they try to add back in some vitamins and minerals to foods to fortify them a little bit, but there's still not much. We need to move to real foods. And then in addition to that, you can take these functional foods or multiple vitamins with the phytochemicals to increase that even more. There are some specific phytochemicals that are very powerful. You've probably heard of them: resveratrol, quercetin, cinnamon, green tea, bitter melon, berberine, ginseng, hops. All of those things target the insulin pathway. They improve your insulin's function. It makes your blood sugar stay in control much better. So here's what I do. This is my quick shake I do almost every day. 1 scoop of Inflammease and 1 scoop of Daily Meal. Now, the Inflammease is great for helping keep inflammation down, improving brain function. And the Daily Meal, that's really good for muscle building. I add a couple teaspoons of chia seeds, lots of fiber in that, and omega-3. And then I put a scoop of dynamic greens, which is just concentrated fruits and vegetables. It makes it a lot easier to maintain your progress. I want to thank you for joining me for Making You Superhuman, and stay tuned. We have one more video I'd like you to watch.